Is Jamaica safe? I've been asked that question so many times. So today, in this video, I'll be trying to answer that question to the best of my ability. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. I am Alex, and I know that you guys subscribe to this channel because you love Jamaica. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna be discussing some facts about Jamaica and crime and violence in Jamaica. Okay, and do we really have high levels of crime and violence in Jamaica? Yes, we do, but most of it is restricted to certain hotspots, as it is in every country of the world. You know, most ordinary Jamaicans think that high level corruption is rife. Yes, this corruption, with the political parties' support of gangs and the increase of trafficking over the past 3 or 4 decades, are undoubtedly the root cause of the increase of crime and violence in Jamaica. You know, corruption is actually holding back economic development of the island and destroying our ecology, while enriching those who are corrupt. You know, the non-partisan, that's National Integrity Action, the NIA, was launched in December 2011 to try and combat the high level of corruption in Jamaica. But do they have any hope of succeeding? I sincerely hope so, for the sake of our island. But will corruption itself or partisanship shackle them? I hope not. So you ask, is Jamaica safe to visit? Over many years, crime and violence in Jamaica has occupied a prominent position in the foreign and even the local press. Because of this, most of our visitors don't take the opportunity to travel around the island to experience the real Jamaica and meet more of our fantastic people. Approximately 3 million people live on our island, and most of them see little of this violence. Unfortunately, tourists are affected way less by these crimes. So my advice to visitors who want to travel around the island and experience the real Jamaica is to get advice from local Jamaicans as to where not to go before you set off exploring Jamaica. Just do as you would back home. So, do others benefit from a reputed violence? Well, I was disgusted to read a post in one of the major online travel forums made by a senior manager at one of our local Ocherias all-inclusive resorts. He was telling visitors that it would not be safe for them to visit Jamaica unless they stayed in an all-inclusive resort. And by that he meant is. I always thought that rundown was a local dish made from mackerel, but I found this version a bit too fishy and unpalatable. Why run down your country for a personal or your employer's gain? And this is not an isolated incident. Staff at major resorts are frequently advising guests not to venture out of their resort. I just want to let you know that your favorite travel firm, they reap a greater reward by selling you, the visitor, an expensive vacation package than they would from selling you 2 weeks B&B in a smaller hotel. Their main aim is to sell you a vacation package for as much as you are willing to pay, and thus maximize their profits. They will use fear of violence as persuasion. Fear is a technique used in most businesses. Also, our competitors in the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico would like to keep you thinking that there's a high level of crime in Jamaica and that it is unsafe for you to visit. Over the years, I have seen some documentaries that have made me wonder if there was another Jamaica somewhere that I knew nothing about. I certainly question the motives of these people producing these documentaries, some of which have made Beirut or Afghanistan seem like paradise in comparison to Jamaica. When you visit Jamaica, there are very reputable companies offering you tour packages that will allow you to explore and discover Jamaica in safety, and not just see the inside of an inclusive resort. If you are one of those persons who really love Jamaica, or you're just interested in learning about Jamaica, help me grow this channel by hitting the subscribe button, and remember to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you really like this video, hit the like button. Until then, I am Alex. Bless.